good everybody? It's boy Sheldon Crumb back in the building. What I have apart right here is my Roku TV remote. It's all broken up as y'all can see. So what I'm going to do is an old school fix. So it's going to be old school and it's really easy because remotes they drop a lot. So this is how I'm going to fix it. So this little piece right here is for the battery. So I need to fit this in here. Now once that piece is fit in there, I still gotta find a way to tie it down. Now I don't have no super glue and stuff, so it kind of got hard. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of tape. I use these scissors to cut the pieces for me. Okay, so I just put the piece of tape in, and then I use my thumb just to make sure it's stuck inside the grooves. Now this is the top part. The top part of the remote. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this on. Hold on. Okay, so this part's on. Okay, so it's on. So now what I'm gonna do is put the batteries in. Batteries are in. Now this is the back part. I'm gonna just slide that on. Turn it this way so y'all can see me close it. Now next thing we're gonna do is walk over to my TV for the Roku remote. Make sure it works. Well, yeah, this brand new product that instant